Canada, a country known for its diversity and welcoming nature, offers the Super Visa program, a unique opportunity for parents and grandparents to visit their loved ones for an extended period. This initiative ensures that families remain connected despite geographical distances, promoting long-term family bonding. The Super Visa is a special visa that allows parents and grandparents of Canadian citizens and permanent residents to stay in Canada for up to 5 years per visit. Unlike a regular visitor visa, which grants a stay of 6 months per entry, the Super Visa offers long-term flexibility and multiple entries, valid for up to 10 years. This means that parents and grandparents can visit their families without having to renew their visas frequently. To be eligible for a Super Visa, applicants must meet specific criteria, ensuring that they have a genuine reason for visiting and sufficient support during their stay. The key requirements include: the applicant must be the parent or grandparent of a Canadian citizen or permanent resident. A letter of invitation must be provided by the host child or grandchild in Canada. This letter should include a promise of financial support for the duration of the visit. Proof that the host meets or exceeds the minimum necessary income requirement must be included. A valid medical insurance policy must be obtained to cover potential health care expenses. One of the most crucial components of the Super Visa application is proof of valid health insurance. Since visitors are not covered under Canada's public health care system, they must acquire private insurance that meets the following conditions. The insurance policy should provide coverage of at least $100,000. It must cover health care, hospitalization, and repatriation. The policy should be valid for at least 1 year from the date of entry. The insurance must be paid in full or through installments with an initial deposit, as quotes are not accepted. The insurer must be a recognized Canadian company or an approved international provider authorized to operate in Canada. Applying for a Super Visa is a straightforward but meticulous process that involves multiple steps. Gather required documents. Applicants must collect essential documents such as proof of relationship, birth certificates or family records, the invitation letter, proof of income, and health insurance documents. Complete the online application. Applications must be submitted through the IRCC, Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada portal. Paper applications may be allowed in certain circumstances. Medical examination. A medical exam with an approved panel physician is required to ensure the applicant meets health standards for entry. Biometric submission. Depending on the applicant's country of origin, biometrics, fingerprints, and photographs may need to be submitted at a designated visa application center. Wait for processing. Processing times vary, but applicants can track their application status online, receive visa, and prepare for travel. Once approved, applicants will receive a visa that must be presented at the port of entry upon arrival in Canada. Once the Super Visa is granted, travelers can enjoy their time with family for up to 5 years per entry. It is important to always maintain valid health insurance during the stay. Keep the passport valid throughout the visit. Comply with Canadian immigration laws and leave Canada before the visa expires, or apply for an extension if needed. If a visitor wishes to extend their stay beyond the allowed period, they have 2 options. Leave and re-enter Canada. If eligible, visitors can leave and re-enter Canada, potentially receiving another 5-year stay upon entry. Apply for an extension. Alternatively, visitors can apply for an extension while in Canada, which may grant them up to 2 additional years. However, an extension application should be submitted at least 30 days before the authorized stay expires. The Super Visa program strengthens family ties by allowing parents and grandparents to stay connected with their loved ones in Canada. If you are considering applying, ensure that all requirements are met to facilitate a smooth application process. For more details, visit Canada's official immigration website. Stay informed and start your journey toward family reunification today.